Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a tutorial on installing TubeBuddy by just a simple Chrome extension. Go to Google and type tubebuddy.com. TubeBuddy improves search rankings, views, growth on YouTube. It also offers plenty ways to help your channel grow and to get those subscribers rolling in. Once the TubeBuddy link has opened, you need to have a laptop or desktop computer to be able to install the TubeBuddy extension, or you can send yourself a reminder to your email so that when you're on your laptop you can be able to install and then add it to Chrome extension. Next, you're going to sign in to your already existing account, or you can add the account which you wanted to add the extension. Then you'll see your main channel account and the tools that you can use. If you have trouble installing the extension on Chrome Web Store, you can use the Yandex browser and you just type in TubeBuddy extension and follow the same process while just signing to your already existing account, and you'll just add it to the Yandex browser. And you can be able to see all the TubeBuddy tools that you can use for your video optimization. This is how the extension should show on your channel dashboard. You can also add the TubeBuddy on your phone as an app, but you'll be limited to the tools that you can use for the video optimization. Like for example, you can be able to view your videos and you'll see the amount of views you have gained since you started using the TubeBuddy, the subscribers count and all that. And it's free on phone, and I'll show you for how much it will charge for the extension. Next, you can be able to see the comments, like you can be able to add canned comment, canned response. Like if you have a specific question that people are asking a lot, you can just type one answer that will answer all of them at once. You can also be able to see the milestone, like it will update you, like you've earned this amount of subscribers in this time, you've earned these views at this point, like that. Also, you can be able to see the news, like from TubeBuddy, whether they have launched something new. Yeah, they'll also update you on that. Next, you will see on the menu the Tag Explorer. You can search for tags and see how they rank. Topic Planner to plan for your topic, the canned response, the tag list, and you can also stalk your competitors to see what optimization tools they're using on their channel, what tags they rank for, video ideas, and you can apply some of the things they have done on their channel to be able to also grow your channel too and to beat the competition. It also has member packs. For TubeBuddy Mobile it's free, but you can pay $3 for more tools. They are more like, all these are the member packs that you can get when you pay for the extension. These are the features when you install the extension, like the live subscriber count, tag explorer, comment filtering, canned responses, all that. So let's open the mobile TubeBuddy so that you can see. the pricing. So this is the pricing, and they have amazing discounts. For example, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, if you agree to pay yearly, or if you have more than one channel. So normally for the Pro, you pay $9 per month, but if you have all those like less than 1,000 subscribers and you pay yearly or more than one channel, it will reduce to $4. So that's the amazing discount that they have. They also have Legend as another license. There are 3 of them actually. So the second one after the Pro, it's the Star, and Legend as the third one. So the more you upgrade the license, the more tools you can access to optimize your videos. Let me remind you again, for you to install the TubeBuddy extension, you just go to the Chrome Web Store or Yandex browser and you follow the procedure to add it to Chrome. These are the many tools that you can access and apply to your videos to be able to rank higher, to grow your channel and to get more subscribers and views. So I'll make another video to show you how to use the TubeBuddy step by step. But for this video, this is it. It was just to show you how to install or add the extension to your Chrome Web Store. So if you haven't seen my channel page to see all the topics that I have covered so far, click on my playlist at the end of this video to be able to watch and view everything. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.